Hey guys, Mike Zagari here with Margins Recovery Service. Now, as you know, Amazon is a massive opportunity for many of us, and I'm so thankful for all that they do. But unfortunately, it's a massive undertaking for them, and they are going to make mistakes. Now, some of those mistakes could cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars. And our service will identify what those mistakes are that Amazon is making so we can go out and find the money that Amazon absolutely owes you. So these could be mistakes that Amazon makes on returns, on warehouse damages, on lost shipments, all of these different things. There's plenty of opportunities for Amazons to make these mistakes. And our service can go out and find those mistakes and get you back the money that you probably never would have seen. So it's free to sign up. All you have to do is click on the link and get started and get some information over to us, and we'll start finding some of these mistakes for you, getting money back in your pocket. Now, we don't make a dime unless we get money back for you. So you can be rest assured that behind the scenes, there's going to be a team of people working on your behalf to recover as much money as possible. So check this out. We recovered $1,538 just in a couple of weeks in one of our smallest accounts. So definitely sign up. This is an awesome opportunity to recoup some funds. I will see you soon, and good luck selling on Amazon.